PayPal phone number, PayPal customer service hours. PayPal's customer service phone number varies by region. In the United States, the general support number is 1-888-221-1161. If you're calling from outside the US, it's best to visit the PayPal Help Center, https://www.paypal.com/us/smarthelp/home, to find the specific number for your country or region. PayPal provides customer service phone numbers that vary depending on the region or country from which you're contacting them. This is done to ensure that customers can receive support in their local language or according to the regional requirements, including time zones and legal frameworks. Different countries have different support centers that handle inquiries specific to those regions. Why does PayPal use region-specific numbers? 1. Language support. PayPal operates globally, so it provides support in multiple languages. By having region-specific phone numbers, they can route your call to representatives who speak your language. 2. Local laws and policies. Payment processing and other financial services are subject to different regulations in various countries. Region-specific customer service centers ensure that you receive support that aligns with local legal and financial standards. 3. Time zone convenience. Different regions have different working hours. With local support numbers, PayPal can ensure that someone is available to assist you during your region's business hours. 4. Faster routing. When you call a local number, you're often routed to a center that can handle your request more efficiently because they're familiar with local issues, example payment methods, regional policies. If you visit the PayPal Help Center, https://www.paypal.com/us/smarthelp/home, and log into your account, you can usually find the best phone number to contact based on your location.